Anthropic just released one new AI model with a twist. It exists in two versions. The one you get is called Claude Fable 5, and it's the most capable AI the public has ever been handed. The other version is the exact same brain with the safety limits off, and that one you can't have. Almost nobody can. And there's a catch they put right on the price tag. It costs exactly double the old model. So this video answers one simple question. Does it do double the work? Let's see the real numbers, including the ones nobody's talking about.
First, the confusing bit. Because half the internet got this wrong. Fable 5 and Mythos 5 are the same model. One brain, two doors. Fable is the public door, full intelligence, guardrails on. Mythos is the same engine with guardrails lifted in two areas, hacking and biology, reserved for vetted security teams and researchers, under a program called Project Glasswing. It's capable enough in those areas that Anthropic simply won't hand it out. Even the names are a wink. Fable and Mythos are the same word. One Latin, one Greek. Same story, two covers. What matters for you? This is a brand new tier above Opus, the previous best Claude. The public has never had access to this tier before. Now, before the shiny demos, the money. Because the price tells you more about this model than the marketing does. On the API, Fable is $10 in, 50 out per million tokens. The previous Opus, 5 and 25. Exactly double. That's not abstract for us. We moved our own work onto Fable today. We are officially running expensive. And if you're on a subscription thinking, doesn't affect me, your usage limits are based on compute. As a rule of thumb, a model that costs double eats your allowance roughly twice as fast. Same plan, half the runway. For context, it could be worse. The early Frontier preview cost 5 times Opus. They more than halved the Frontier's price on day one. But still, double is double. So here's the only question that matters. Double the price, does it do double the work? Let's check the numbers. We're pulling them from Anthropic's own published table, so you can verify every single one. Real-world software engineering. Old Claude scored 69. Fable, 80. That's 16% better. Good, but not double. Worth saying, OpenAI's best score is 59 here. And that's OpenAI's own published number. So that one jump, Old Claude to Fable, is bigger than the entire lead Claude already had over OpenAI. Working in a real terminal, like an actual engineer. 63 before, 88 now, 40% better. Getting closer. Now the hardest benchmark, problems built to stump frontier models. Old Claude, 13. Fable, 29. More than double. And on Anthropic's table, 5 times OpenAI's score. Honest footnote, it's still under 30%. Nobody has solved the genuinely hard stuff. But the gap is brutal. Spatial reasoning, plans, layouts, diagrams, nearly tripled. See what's happening? The easier the task, the smaller the gain. The harder and longer the job, the bigger the multiple. On the hardest work, it's not double. It's better than double. Hold that thought. Because here's the part the launch videos skip. On plenty of benchmarks, Fable barely moved. Using a computer like a human, clicking around interfaces, 85 versus 83. Office-style knowledge work, about 2% better. Legal agent work, 13%. Best score on the board, and it still fails almost 9 out of 10 tasks. The frontier is real. It is not magic. 2 more flags. These are Anthropic's own numbers. The headline one checks out against the public leaderboard, but it's still the maker grading its own homework. And the starred scores, cybersecurity, biology, are really Mythos scores. Your Fable hands those topics to the older model by design. Rare, under 5% of chats, but it's there. So what does this mean in your life? Until now, AI was a quick answer machine. An email, a summary, fine. But the big stuff? The scary 3-day jobs? You'd never hand those over, because halfway through, it would wander off. That's what changed. Not better answers, bigger handoffs. Read this 80-page contract and flag everything that can bite me. Plan my entire house move. Build me that little app I've always wanted. Stripe handed it a migration they'd budgeted a team 2 months for. Done in a day. The people who tested it early keep using the same word. Colleague. So, back to the question. Does double the price buy double the work? On quick everyday tasks, no. 2% better for double the cost is burning money. The numbers literally say keep the old model for those. But on the long, hard handoffs, it's not double. It's 2 to 5 times the capability. A 2-month job done in a day, at double the token price, isn't expensive. It's the cheapest engineering anyone's ever bought. One rule: don't upgrade your questions. Upgrade your handoffs. And the kicker: until June 22nd, Fable is included free in the Pro, Max, and Team plans. After that, extra usage credits. 2 weeks to find out what it's worth, on Anthropic's dime. One practical catch we hit ourselves: it arrives app by app. The website and the terminal have it, your desktop app might not yet. You're not doing anything wrong. It comes with the next update. Here's our promise. We're already running real work on Fable 5, the research for this video included. This week we're giving it one proper job, start to finish, and we'll tell you how it actually went. Not the benchmarks, the truth. Follow along if you want that. We test this stuff, so you don't have to guess.